Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright, on today's video, this will probably be kind of a short one, but we're going to take this roper knife, and I got this thing, I believe, at Tractor Supply. But we're going to kind of do some jigging on the handles, give it a little bit of texture and profile. And this is the first time I've tried it on one of these knives, so hopefully it turns out good. We're going to see what happens, and I don't really have a good way to hold this in a vise, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way, and we're going to hold it. I'm going to hold it with my hand, and we're going to get everything lined up here like we want it, and we're going to see what happens. It's going to be loud, folks. We'll have to do a little fine sanding on that, but that's pretty cool. We could probably actually go just a tad deeper with it. I think that looks pretty good. Get that cleaned up a little bit. See that texture in there? It's going to feel pretty good in the hand too. So we'll just duplicate that process on the other side and we'll be good to go. Future reference, I may use a smaller sanding drum next time, but you know, when you're just experimenting with stuff, sometimes just go hog wild. Just take a Dremel and just bounce it up and down on the handle. See what happens. That's what I do. I'm just crazy like that sometimes. But I'll tell you what. I think I like the results that we're gonna get with this. And I'll tell you what. I'll tell you something else that we may do. We may I don't know, I kinda like that yellow, but I'm gonna tell you something that I may just try with this knife. Since this is a experiment anyway, I may try to take this thing and just dip it really quick in some dye and then sand it and see if we can get some just a little bit of color and texture to it. I bet that would be awesome. Alright, this is where we're going to settle at. I went back and took the color out of that, but man, I put some texture in it with a little grinding wheel. You see that? That looks really, really good, and boy, it feels good in the hand too. It turned out nice. I'm very, very happy with that. We're going to settle on that right there. That is nice.
That rooster crowing 6 a.m. Black rifle coffee, a few good friends watching the sunrise.